Looking for a light, delicious meal that's perfect for warm summer evenings? Look no further. Our Courgette Carbonara Rigatoni brings together simple quality ingredients for a delicious dish that's made to be savored. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolks along with the pecorino and a generous pinch of pepper, then set aside. Next, in a saucepan over a medium to high heat, add the Napolina Olive Oil, followed by the pancetta, and cook until crispy, then remove from the pan. In the same pan, add the courgette and saute lightly until slightly golden. Then toss in the cooked Napolina Rigatoni and drizzle a little Napolina roasted garlic and herbs flavored olive oil and mix together over the heat for a minute. Then turn off the heat and pour over the egg and pecorino mixture and fold together gently to emulsify the sauce with the hot pasta and courgette. Then serve up into bowls with a little extra pecorino, the crispy fried pancetta and some fresh parsley, and enjoy!